Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about McDonald's app, and I'm going to show you an amazing tutorial guys. For those who are fans of McDonald's like me, I'm going to show you an amazing trick at how you can get free points guys. And with this method I find it out, which is pretty simple and pretty easy. You can do it in any device that you are using, iOS, Android. It's pretty simple to do it. Same steps are required for the all devices, so there is not any specific on that. It's pretty simple to do it guys and pretty easy. Okay, I'm just going immediately to go and to open the app so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you that what you have to do in order to get it also you this mod practically, which is going to generate the points to you. Okay, so as you can see right over here on the top, I got so much points. I'll go to the rewards right here right now, and so you can see it. Okay, here we are, and as you can see I have so much points. And then I'm just going to go out right now, and I just want to tell you, just going to find the link below because I cannot explain all the steps here for certain reasons, that how you can get the points, but on the link below you're gonna find it. You're gonna be able to understand everything you need to do in order to get same as me. Okay, thank you for watching guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.